I haven't made any smoothies in a while because I got tied up doing other things. One of my computers, the hard disk failed. My home's water heater failed. I've been doing stuff. But I went over to see a neighbor today just to say hi, see how he's doing. He was drinking a smoothie, and I started craving a smoothie. I got to have me a smoothie. So that's what I want to do here. I'm going to make a smoothie. This is mango, papaya, and pineapple because I'm trying to use up some of the keto not friendly ingredients that I have in my freezer because I'm trying to little by little adjust myself into a keto diet. So let's make this smoothie. So into my blender jar, I'm going to be putting in a half a cup, which is about 55 grams of mango. Half a cup, 55 grams, 65 grams actually I have recorded, of papaya, and then 65 grams, half a cup of pineapple. Now to this, I'm going to add a lot of liquid because I like a really wet smoothie. This is 2 cups or about 475 milliliters of almond milk. And then I have here 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. That'll add some protein, and for even more protein, I have 1 tablespoon of protein powder. All right, I'm ready to put this on my blender and mix it up. Turn my blender on, set to number 1, and then start blending. And as this breaks up, because these are frozen pieces in there, the fruit, when those start to break up, I'll increase my speed, and I'm thinking 35 to 40 seconds at high speed. All right, let's see what I got here. Nice light colored smoothie here. No pink, no purple. And then because I always try to make plenty so I have more for later, I'll put this in the refrigerator. It's just over 12 ounces. So that'll be a nice snack for later on. All right. Let's see what this tastes like. I am so craving one of these things. Got my stainless steel straw here. Nice flavor. Not too sweet, just a little bit sweet. You could, if you wanted to, add a little bit of stevia to that if you wanted a sweeter smoothie. Very delicate, very mild flavor. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my smoothie.